State University, Jack Harvey. Lane 2, Lockwood Constructing at University of Missouri, Jack Dahlgren. Representing the Pleasanton Seahawks in lane 3, Tim Wu. Just qualifying for Purdue University is Blake Lowe. University, Joe Hayburn. And second, representing Penn State, Matthew Bittner. And lane 8 for Nature's Capital Surplus, Jackson Tischler. Championship point, and it's Connor Baxter. Blake Lowe Purdue at 142.71, tied up for 94th all-time in the 17-18 age group. We also have Tim Wu with a great swim this morning of 143.91. That's his personal best, and put him at number 34 all-time in the 15-16 age group. Dunn leads the way to lane 5 with a 23.21. John was the runner-up in the 200 freestyle to Jim Taylor with 133.8 in that race. He also won the 100 bachelor here in Greensboro at 46.11. And Dunn, 378 at the 100, 49 flat from Bro, and Blue with a 50.3 here for third at this point. Down looking to sweep the bats on the bench, all that guaranteed here going into the final turn to almost a 2-5 lead. And Bradley Dunn will reach in for a 130 Jack Dahlgren, 26.2 from lane 2 and a 143.06.